Hello everybody, and I want to welcome you to Lego City! We're not really going to Lego City, but we kind of are because we're going to be reading a Lego City book today. Let's read Lego City, all hands on deck. Like I said, welcome to Lego City. Glad to have you guys. Let's read All Hands on Deck, a Lego City book together right now. The harbor is filled with ships. This ship is busy. The sailors have to unload the ship before it departs. A sailor is mopping the deck. Watch out! The deck is wet! Oh, he slipped. His hat popped off. No, his hat! The captain steers the ship. He will make sure that it goes where it needs to go. A sailor looks out at the water and he sees a scuba diver. That's kind of cool. He also sees a windsurfer. The windsurfer does a cool trick. Oh no, the windsurfer is heading towards some rocks. What are we gonna do? Sorry guys, I'm very excited. He runs to tell the captain, a windsurfer is in danger. We need to save him, he says. Look at him, he's like, oh my gosh. All hands on deck, the captain yells. That's the name of the book. The windsurfer is getting closer to the rocks. Oh no. The captain gives the sailors their orders. They will go help the windsurfer. How many Lego guys are going? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 Lego guys on this little boat. Little boat. The sailors find the windsurfer and they throw him a lifesaver. Dude, that was close, says the windsurfer. Yeah, you think? Next time I'll be sure to stay clear of those rocks, says the windsurfer. Thanks for the hand. The end. That was a short little book, but I hope you had a fun time with me in Lego City, reading All Hands on Deck. The windsurfer, he is safe. And I hope that you stay safe, and I'll see you next time on Dad's Read Along Stories.